Good day everyone, this is Engineer John Ligia. So sa video na to, mag-solve tayo ng isa na namang random past board exam problem sa analytic geometry. So what is the value of h if the slope of the line 3hx minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0 is 3 halves? So the solution for this is just we will recall yung equation ng slope-intercept form. So the equation must be y is equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope. So yung m yung slope, guys. So gagawin natin, ibaba muna natin yung equation na binigay, 3hx minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0. So i-transform natin itong equation na to papuntang equation ng y is equals to mx plus b. Okay? So ano mong gagawin? Syempre, transpose mo yung 4y. So, magiging 4y is equals to 3hx plus 2. Okay, and then, syempre, meron kang 4 na katabi ng y. We just remove it by multiplying 1/4 on both sides. So, makakancel to. So, itong denominator na 4 is mapupunta dito sa kabila. So, y is equals to 3/4 hx plus 1/2. Okay, kasi yung 2/4 na lowest term natin papuntang 1/2. So, ang next mong gagawin dyan is, syempre, alam mo na kung ano yung slope dito. So, ito yun, yung 3/4 h. So, your slope will be 3/4 h. But, merong binigay na condition, di ba? So, yung slope mo daw, slope of the line is 3 halves. So, yung 3/4 h equals sa 3 halves. So, ang gagawin mo is we will have to get the value of h kasi yun yung required sa problem. Okay? So, para makuha yon yung h is ilipat mo yung 3/4 sa kabila. So, 3 halves, pag ilipat mo yung sa kabila, magiging 4/3. Okay? Ito sa kabila. So, magkakancel lang naman nito. By the way, 3 halves pala yan dapat. So, yan. Cancel to, cancel to. Matira, h is 4/2. So, your final answer will be h is equal to 2. So, that's simple analytic geometry problem. So, nawa nakatulong sa inyo kahit paano itong pag-solve natin ang problem na to at magamit ninyo hanggang sa inyong board exam. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood. This is Engineer John Ligia. God bless.